My name is Jordan with the Dr. Joel Kaplan Company. I'm here today to explain how to properly fit and operate AndroDEEP. When you first open your package, the device will come partially assembled in one bag, with another bag full of additional parts. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with all the components before you get started. Inside the package, you'll find the extender base ring with the upper plastic support, the extension rods in various sizes, 2 types of silicone bands, and protective cushions for added comfort. Once you've identified all the components, it's time to personalize AndroDEEP to your size. As AndroDEEP is sold globally, it's important to note that the measurement standard is in centimeters. First, measure the length of your erect penis using a measuring tape. Subtract 4 centimeters, or 1.6 inches, from this measurement. This will be the initial target length that we will adjust AndroDEEP. For example, if your erect length is 6 inches, or 15 centimeters, then the initial target length for AndroDEEP will be 11 centimeters. Before adding any adjustments, the base size of AndroDEEP is 8 centimeters. You can add extension rods to adjust the length. The rods will come in varying lengths: 4 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 0.5 centimeters, and 0.3 centimeters. Once you have your target measurement, remove the upper plastic support from the extender base ring. In this example, the demo unit measures at 15 centimeters, so our target measurement is 11 centimeters. We will use one 2 centimeter extension rod and 2 0.5 centimeter extension rods to reach 11 centimeters of length. Once you have adjusted AndroDEEP to your target length, place the upper plastic support on the newly extended rods. Now that your AndroDEEP device has been sized to fit, set up the silicone straps to make sure the penis will be secure and comfortable. Thread the silicone band through the protective cushion until it is secure and covering the resting piece. For additional comfort, you can add one of the silicone rings to the head of the penis, slotting it just below the glands. Once in place, insert the end of each band into the holes in the upper plastic support. Now let's start using AndroDEEP. Begin with a flaccid penis, and if you're uncircumcised, retract the foreskin to expose the glands completely. Make sure the narrowest part of the ring is facing upwards and insert your penis through the extender base ring and the silicone band loop, so the glands rest in the hollow part of the upper plastic support. Once the penis is in position, begin to tighten the loop by pulling on each end of the silicone band until the penis is fully secured. Make sure to tighten the silicone band slowly to prevent any pinching of the skin. The fit should be tight enough so the glands does not slip out, but not so tight that it is uncomfortable. Once fit, place the ends of the silicone bands into the grooves underneath the upper plastic support to lock them in place and prevent the band from loosening. Now that the penis is secure, you should be feeling a comfortable yet tense stretch. You can adjust the angle of AndroDEEP throughout the session for comfort. When you are finished with your exercise, remove the silicone bands from the grooves and loosen the loop to remove AndroDEEP. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to a member of our team via our website, AndroDEEP.com.